Good afternoon. This is a video to show what we've done to this Ford Transit custom Euro 6 facelift. So this is the new facelift model. So the customer's had a few enhancements to this vehicle. He's got a factory alarm on it. So we haven't done an alarm on it, but we have done is increased the security of the alarm. One by adding a high level blue LED, so at night this whole cab will illuminate a nice shade of blue, which will show something different going on. We've also fitted the Replock on this. This is the T-Series Replock. We've done high level deadlocks on the rear, which I will show you with the, just open the van up. So mirror unlock as well. So these are high level T-Series deadlocks. So these are the wrong key. Sorry. Right. So the deadlock in the high position. So if the van is opened, it's going to secure the van at the top of the door, so it will stop from door peeling when it's armed. So this is a special, obviously, custom bracket for the Ford Custom, which is riveted in, and that mounts into a secure keep onto the near side door. So that's the high level position. The high level is not a standard position for the Custom. The normal deadlock goes here, but this customer asked for a high level position, so that's what he got. That's coupled with a side door high level, again T-Series. We'll just throw that. There's no movement there, so that also secures the door peeling attack. Again, these are hook bolts, so they fire into an aperture which we cut into the door. This customer, as I said, has got the Ford alarm system on there. The easiest way to tell is if you look up in the interior lights, you'll see these ultrasonics, and these are the Ford ultrasonics. But what the Ford don't do is doesn't protect the actual load area. It's covered by these pins, but if you know, we've all seen these attacks where they actually go into the roof of the van or cut the side of the door open. So the actual load area itself, the whole area, is actually a dead area. If somebody had gained entry to the roof, you're not going to know. So to enhance the Ford system, we've added the Vodafone automotive microwave sensor. So this is not a Ford option, this is something we've tagged into the Ford system. What we do is, for the customer to know it's working, basically we've added a little LED just to the corner of the existing trim. So what that does is when you move your hand, there we go, so as I'm triggering the system, it's just going to flick on to let you know that it's working. So it's very hard to test these systems without actually locking yourself in the back of the van, waiting 30 seconds, then waving your arms around, which you're not going to do very often. I added the LED to it, so that just gives you an indication that your system's working, it's performing. I said to the customer, if that LED doesn't come on, then give me a call back, and it's a warranty issue. I'll replace that free of charge. So there we go. As I'm moving towards the van, it's a microwave sensor which protects the whole load area, the roof, the doors being, you know, penetrated via cutting. So the LED is just a little nice touch, just to let you know that your system's working. What it does is, if that triggers when the alarm's on, what it does, it throws a negative trigger onto the LED and also into the existing Ford circuit. So on the back of this wire, on the back of this, sorry, is a green trigger wire, which when the van alarm sees that go negative, when the doors open, or that sensor triggers like this, then it's going to trigger the Ford system. So the Ford system is a category 1 approved system. It's got a battery backup siren. It's not a bad alarm. So we've increased the security of the Ford system. Also added just a little LED to the interior of the dash. Customer asked for that. He just said, I want an LED to come on when the ignition's off, just to, you know, a bit more of a deterrent. So that's what he's got. What else have we done? We've done the We've locked its keys. We've done the remote lock and unlock operated mirrors, so everyone knows this. Second click, 1, 2, mirrors close, and then when you unlock the van, first click, mirrors open again. What else has he had? He's also had a Autowatch Ghost. It's a very good system for the Ford. So I'm sure you've all seen this now. Ignition in, clutch down, ignition on, and that's dead. It's not starting. So to disable this system, we enter the customer's PIN. You will get the double flash on the dash, which states that the Ghost is disabled, and then you're free to go. So there we go, no fault codes, driver's door open. There we go, we have a fully functioning van. The service button on this vehicle is the aircon button, so if you're going to drop the van off at a dealership, press the aircon 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, when it's running, and then you'll get a 5 indicator confirmation that it's in service mode. Service mode simply means that you can hand your vehicle over to a third party garage without telling them the PIN number. I'm not saying that garages are dodgy, but for instance, if you were to hand your vehicle over and say, oh, it's got a Ghost, you'll need to put in XX, YY, ZZ, etc. to start it, then you might have a dubious agent in the garage. You might then say, this one's got a Ghost, I know the PIN. It wouldn't be too difficult to then put a tracker onto the vehicle and code a spare key in, and at any point then an unscrupulous agent could actually locate the vehicle, open the vehicle with a coded remote and disable the Ghost. So look after your assets, put the vehicle in service mode before you drop it off anywhere. So that's it. Autowatch Ghost, enhanced Ford alarm system, Replock, high position deadlocks in the T series, remote operated folding mirrors, and the delightful load area sensor with motion detect LED. So there you go, I'm just moving in and out of the van. So there you go, nice, secure, practical Ford Custom, secured by Vehicle Fit in the West Midlands, 07900 60 50 40. Mobile service and lifetime warranty. Nice van, thanks for watching, cheers.